Welcome to my channel Maison Network. So today I just bought this new product. It's called Klipsk from Ikea. So this is details and also the video. So let's see the pictures, right? Cái trái đó trái này. So you can use it for you can read it. All right. So this is the price. I bought it in Ikea Klipsk. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So there's a few options. There's a white, turquoise, gray, and also black. The one that I have is white, and that's product details. Okay. Okay. If you want to read more, then you can pause the video. Okay. Oh, so okay. So pause. All right. That's it. Yeah, the last one. All right. So this is the product. I already actually unboxing, and there is no. There is a bit nothing. So this is the on top of it, the one that we put on all these stuff, and also the handphone. All right, and then this is beside. Okay. All right, and then so we see there's here below here. This is the stand, and yeah. Here. The shelf. Right, and also details like you can see. Sorry, my video shaky. Just at me. So this side. Alright, so you have to so it comes actually like this. So you have to wait. Here myself. So you have to push up like that. Now, so it goes down. Like push up. And it's locked. All right. Thank you very much for watching. That's my mom. She loved me much. Okay, bye.